Hi, Cyril.
Kitty, kitty, kitty says meow, meow. Oh yeah, we need to get that other toy out so we can.
Hi, Cyril. Are you in your new chair? Yeah?
Look.
Do you like your new chair?
Look at that lamb face.
Hey. Yeah. I know.
Feels good too.
So fun.
Good.
Oh, rub it.
Recline in it.
I know.
Can you recline back like Papa does?
Kick back, buddy. Kick back. Yeah? Aw. No. Burp.
We need to get your portrait done. We could take the lamb with us. Would that be cute?
Yes.
Take care, Dudley, from the
Ba 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 ba.